Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with C. Now C programming is a general purpose language which is widely used in development of operating systems, compilers, embedded system, and other applications where performance and efficiency are critical. Now, to run a C program, we need to have a compiler and a text editor. Now, but for this case, we have an online tool which will help us run C program on a browser. Now, to do this, you need just to come to online, open your browser like that, then you type C compiler, C online C compiler. You will click on that link like that. Then this is where you're going to do your programming here, your C programming. Now, when you look at this interface, we have to run our code, our program from here. And on this side, we have an output where we shall be able, when we run or execute our program, here is where it shall be displayed. Now, we have this program here. We have int main function here. Main function is a very important part of any program. And we have int, which is a data type, which is used to store integer value only. Now, here is where your program starts. We have an opening brace and a closing brace here. So this one is an opening brace, and you also have a closing brace down here. So your program starts from here. Now, for example, let us just do this, or I have a simple program. So I'm going to type printf, then I'll type hello world. Now printf is used to print the output on the screen. That's why we are using print here. So let's run this program and see what the output will be. Now, to run the program, we just click here on run button here. Then on this side, we are having an output, print hello world. So there is some error. So there's some error here. So what we need to do is we need to not forget a semicolon. Then let's run it again. Then this, then you will see hello world as an output on this side. So this is just the beginning of how you can just start and create a simple program from here. So this is just the part one. Next video, I will show you how to print values of variables. If you like this video, please consider subscribing.